Ever pondered the intricacies of moving data from MongoDB to Elasticsearch for visualization on Kibana? It's a challenge, isn't it? Well, today we dive into this intriguing topic. Enter Blackcoffer, an elite global IT consulting firm. A leading health tech firm in the United States with over 100 employees faced this exact challenge. They needed to move data, specifically newly created and modified documents, from MongoDB to Elasticsearch for visualization on Kibana. So, how did Blackcoffer solve this problem? They implemented a Python script. This script queries documents from MongoDB using the last modified data for modified documents and instance created date for created documents. The script then compares these against the last runtime stored and updated on MongoDB. The data is sourced from two locations, section instance and file instance. The data from both these locations is then merged and pushed onto Kibana using the Bulk API. But what about errors? Fear not, Blackcoffer thought of that too. Any errors encountered during this process are logged on a separate Elasticsearch index for errors. But the magic doesn't stop there. This Python script isn't just run manually on a local machine. Oh no, it's hosted on the cloud, specifically Microsoft Azure. Azure functions are used to automate this process, ensuring that the data is always up to date on Kibana. Now let's take a step back and look at this from a broader perspective. A leading health tech firm faced a challenge. They needed to move data from MongoDB to Elasticsearch for visualization on Kibana. Blackcoffer provided a solution using Python scripts and Azure functions. And the benefits? They were manifold. The client now has an automated process that ensures their data is always up to date on Kibana. They can visualize their data with ease, enabling them to make informed decisions quickly. Plus, any errors encountered during the data transfer are logged, allowing for easy troubleshooting and continuous improvement of the process. So there you have it, a deep dive into the challenge of moving data from MongoDB to Elasticsearch for visualization on Kibana, and how Blackcoffer provided an elegant solution to this problem. Thanks to Blackcoffer, the health tech firm can now visualize their data with ease, making informed decisions quickly and effectively. Isn't that something? That's all for today. Until next time, keep pondering the intricacies of data transfer and visualization.